Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Gadget Grabs. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to regain the deleted mails from the Outlook. So for that, you need to simply open any browser on your device and you need to type a URL outlook.com, and once you type in, tap on the search button on the screen, and now you are appeared on this Outlook account. Make sure to sign in on this account, and when you are on the page, you can see the inbox page open. If you wonder how to get access to the inbox page, then you can see the three-line icon on top left corner. Tap on that and here you can see the inbox. Tap on inbox. Suppose I choose this mail to delete from here. Tap and hold this and tap on delete icon on the bottom of the screen. Now this conversation or mail has been deleted. So how you can regain this on your inbox again is go back to three-line icon on top left corner and you can see deleted items. Tap on deleted items and here is the recently deleted mail on the Outlook. So you need to tap and hold that for a second, and now you're on the button of the screen next to delete. You can see the download like option. Tap on that icon and now you need to select inbox, and now one conversation has moved on the inbox. Go and check your inbox again, and now here you can see that you can easily regain your deleted mail on the Outlook. If you like this video useful, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you.